The first sentence here suggests that Escado has a very sophisticated engine that produces high power. The power of this car is 188, which is the highest among all the cars given here. So yes, this information helps explain that why Escado has maximum power. So definitely helps explain. The second one, for the same size of engines, a petrol engine car is likely to generate higher torque. So let's sort it by the fuel type. And now we see that petrol engine car should have higher torque. Is it the case? The last two are petrol ones. See this car 2179, the engine size is 2179. Here also the engine size is 2179, but the maximum torque here is in fact less. So it is the other way around. This sentence is not true. Rather, even if this is true, this doesn't help explain any data here. So not a good choice. This only complicates the matter, doesn't help explain. The last one, a higher size leads to lower mileage is what this is saying. If you look at the size of the car, let's sort it by, first of all, seating capacity, I would say. Generally the seating capacity cars should be bigger, I would want to believe. Not necessarily, but yes, at least shows a trend. So look at the length here. These two lengths are minimum, on the lower side rather. So yes, these cars are relatively a bit smaller. Look at the mileage. The mileage for this car is indeed the highest, but the mileage of this car, if you see, you have 4545 into 1820 into 1685, and here you have 4456 1820 again, and you have 1995, which is much bigger a value. These two are same, these two are almost the same. This value is much higher, but see, the value of mileage is significantly higher than this value here. Similarly for this car also, see, the dimensions are much higher than the second car here. This is a much bigger car, but the mileage is higher here also. So there are exceptions, very clear contradictions, and therefore this option, this statement also does not help explain the data given here. So the right combination of answers: no, no, yes.